Hey guys, so I have a subscription box review to share with you today, and this box is called the Therabox. And I know there's a million boxes out there that offer different things, and what makes this box different from any other box? The whole point of this box is that it's supposed to be more therapeutic, be more of a box that inspires happiness, it inspires creativity, inspires just relaxation, that kind of thing. I'm going to unbox it now and see what's inside. It's wrapped in tissue, has a little thank you sticker, which is cute. The top thing I see here is the ingredient list, what's in the Therabox. Yes, this basically is telling me what's in the box. Let's go ahead and check it out first. So the first thing I see is a free 7-day meditation challenge plus 1 month free online yoga classes. It's $25 value, but that's fun if you're somebody who travels or doesn't want to go out to work out or doesn't have a gym that you can go to. This is a nice little thing. It's a free month of yoga, and you can take as much or at least advantage of that as you'd like. Okay, this is interesting. This looks to be a tea box. It says Creatures of the Night gift box, and I'm a fan of tea. I'm definitely a fan of tea, and it has 4 different types of teas, I guess it has in here. The first one listed is sex tea, then hangover tea, then happy tea, then energy tea. So that's exciting, and on the back it just kind of says what's in all these teas, but that's kind of interesting. I've never had a sex tea before, so we shall see how that is. Okay, so the next thing that I see is one of those reusable bags, which I love, and what it says is, life is found in the dance between your deepest desire and your greatest fear. I will definitely use this, absolutely. I think this is really cool, and I love reusable bags as well. The next item in here is called The Little Book of Self-Love. Love yourself first and everything else falls into line. Daily self-love prompts. 5 things you're grateful for today. 3 compliments to yourself. 1 self-love act you plan to do today/tomorrow. So this seems to be kind of like a journal. It has like instructions on the front of what you should be putting in here, but it's basically just a journal, it's nice, it's pretty, it's easy to carry around with. So far, I really liked these items. They definitely are more geared towards like therapeutic vibes and self-love vibes and helping you feel better, so that's awesome. So the next thing I see here is Delia's Organics Natural Skin Therapy Dose of Eye Magnify. It's kind of like interesting texture and like gel. No scent. It's very hydrating. So the next thing is, I am a huge fan of baths. I love baths. So this is by Lotus Naturals Bath Salts Bath Soak. Take some time for self-care and relax in a tub with this luxurious bath soak. And it says handmade with love in Bend, Oregon, and the ingredients are rose, lavender, jasmine flower, and Epsom salts. This is a beautiful container. You can really see the dried flowers as well as the Epsom salts, and this will definitely be used. So I think we're at the end of this box. We have 1 item left, and this is by Royal Living Life, and it's a meditation spray. And it says, during meditation, aromatherapy inhalation can help stimulate the senses, promote relaxation, and create an ambient space so you can really focus. It is really like nice smelling. It smells kind of like a spa. I actually really like this box. I'm not like a huge fan of a lot of boxes just because I feel like it's kind of gimmicky. But this is really nice. Honestly, I feel like this would be a great item to give to any lady in your life kind of thing, because who doesn't want relaxation? It's not anything that you're not going to use. Like sometimes with the beauty boxes, they send you some like crazy colored lipstick. You're like, when am I ever going to wear this? This stuff is definitely awesome. I will absolutely drink the tea. I'll use the bag. I'll go ahead and link to the website where you can get this box. But yeah, I mean, honestly, I'm more excited about this box as an option to give to other people in my life, because if you know somebody who's stressed out, maybe it's only $35 just to send them this box versus sending them some flowers. It might be a different option to send to somebody who is grieving about something or is stressed out in their life. I like this box, and I definitely would probably use it again as a gift to someone else. And maybe a gift to myself, but definitely as a gift to someone else. And I thank you guys for checking out this box with me. If you guys, again, have any questions, go ahead and put them in the bottom bar below, and I'll get to those as soon as I can. Until next time, you guys take care. Bye-bye.